All right, I'm inside Deluxe Dogs on Pape Avenue and just starting my walk in Pape Village. This is the first stop coming into Deluxe Dogs. They are so welcoming. So all the doggies in here, doggy daycare, right? So now, again, what are these, the breeds again?
These are pocket bullies. So this
Pocket
is
bullies.
a puppy right here.
This is so cute.
Princess.
How old? How old?
3 months.
3 months.
Yeah, so just a little
So,
but they'll fill out and turn mellow size right over
this
here.
is the
Yes.
full grown. Hi, I don't have any treats for you, but and then so cute. And how old is this one?
She's still young. I think 2, if I'm not mistaken.
2. Okay, you're 2 years old. They're so cute. So, aw, they're all having fun here. So this is so nice. So yeah, so if you're ever in this neighborhood and you need to drop off your dog right here at Deluxe Dogs on Pape Street. Pape, what's the address exactly?
Pape Avenue.
Pape Avenue? Oh, it's in my hand.
860.
There we
Pape
go.
Avenue. Yeah, and we offer a daycare, so that's a daytime just to play with different dogs. We have an agility course upstairs, and we also offer overnight boarding. So if you're traveling or just need an overnight stay, you
Awesome. What's this one's name?
Mellow.
Mellow. I don't want. Now you're camera shy. Mellow.
He's a good girl.
There you go.
Hi, precious.
Made it.